Hello everyone and welcome to Exampur. So today we are going to discuss maths PYQ questions which are most important for the CGL, SSC CGL purpose. Okay, so you know that SSC CGL exams are ongoing from 1st of December. It will be continued till 13th of December. So let's start with the first question. Okay, this question came in CGL 2020. Okay, let's see how to solve this question. So you have to solve this question, you have to simplify this. Okay, for that you should know what you should know. You should know the formula that if a plus b plus c is square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c, right? 2ca. So if you know that, if you know this formula, okay, so you can easily solve this question. Now we have two different types of situations here. First situation is the y is negative and here both y and z both are negative, right? Both are negative. So when we squared these terms, this will give positive result. But when we multiply these terms, so again if we write xy, x into y, so this will be minus 2xy. This will be what? Minus 2xy. And when we write like this minus y and minus z, this will give you what? Plus z. Okay, so this is accordingly we have to write the formula. So first of all, simplify this. So this will give you x square plus y square plus z square. X square plus y square plus z square, then plus 2x into minus y, that means 2 minus 2xy, then minus 2yz, minus 2yz, clear? Minus 2yz. After that, you know that x and z are in positive, so we can write it positive like 2xz. Absolutely correct. Now there is a minus sign, so whatever signs we will calculate here will get opposite. Okay, if there is plus we will get minus, if there is minus we will get plus. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? So see how we have to solve this. So we have x square plus y square plus z square as it is. Okay, x square plus y square plus z square as it is. For xy we have x positive, y negative, so minus 2xy, minus 2xy. Okay, minus 2xy. For minus y and minus z, minus y and minus z get multiplied and give positive result. That means plus 2xy, plus 2xz, sorry, plus 2yz actually, plus 2yz, okay, plus 2yz. Then again z negative and x positive, that means minus 2xz, minus 2xz. Now this result we are going to get here, but we have minus sign before that. So when we multiply this minus, all signs get changed. All signs will get changed. Okay. So what we will get? We get negative of this, negative this, negative this, positive this, negative this, positive this. Okay. Now you know that we have similar quantities. Positive, negative get cancelled out. Okay. This gets cancelled out, this gets cancelled out, and also this gets cancelled out. So we have two positive things, that 2xz plus 2xz, this will give you 4xz. This will give you 4xz, yes or no? This will give you 4xz, right? And here we have minus 2yz and minus 2yz. This will give you minus 4yz. So this should be our answer. Okay. So 4xz minus 4yz, 4xz minus 4yz, option number D is the right answer. Option number D is my right answer. Let's move on to the another question. Okay, here question is saying that an article is marked 27% above its cost price. Okay, and if X% discount is allowed on the mark price, and still there is a profit of 6.68%, then what is the value of X? So suppose we have cost price of what? 100. Okay, we have cost price of 100. Now what we have done, we have marked it up, okay, by 27%. Okay, we have increased this by 27%. So this will become 127 simply. Now this is my mark price, yes or no? again what I am getting now, I am getting some discount, and on that I am getting 6.68 profit. That means the profit should be what? This is my SP. Suppose this is my SP, and what is my SP? This is 106.68. Okay, 6.68 above the CP. So this is my profit. This is my profit. Clear? This is my profit. 6.68. 6.68%. Clear? So I have increased this thing. So I got the CP. Now you know that the difference of MP and SP. Now you know that difference of MP and SP gives you discount. So we can easily find out the discount percentage. So find the difference of these two. What you will get? You will get 20.32. 20.32. Okay. Over what? You know that on which value we are calculating discount. So percent D is equal to D by MP multiply by 100%. Okay. So D is 20.32 and we have 127 multiply by 100%. Okay. Now this 100 will cancelled out by this point. Okay. When we multiply, now this point cancelled out and this 100 cancelled out. Now we have to divide this thing to this. Okay. Now we know that this is 12 and this is nearby around 15 times gives 180. 15 times this gives me 180. That means around 15-16 times we will get. Now if it is 15 times, that means 7 5s are 35 will be the 5 will be the unit digit. But there is a unit digit of 2 we are getting here. That means 6 7s are 42. So accordingly, maybe this number should be equal to 16 times of this. Okay, let's see. So 16 7s are, what is 16 7s are? So 70 and 42, 112. So here 2, we have carry 11, 16 2s are 32 and 43, carry 4, 16 1s are 16 and we are getting 2032. That means this is going to be cancelled out by 16 and 16% is my right answer, and 16% is my right answer. That means option number C is my right answer. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear? Super. Super. Let's move on to the another question. So find the value of tan 35, cot 40 degree, tan 45 degree into cot. So all these terms are in, all these trigonometric ratios are in the multiplication. Okay. So you know that here one property. Okay, I'm going to tell you one property here. If A plus B, okay, these are angles. If A plus B is equal to 90 degree, if A plus B is equal to 90 degree, okay, what we will get? We will get sin A is equal to cos B. Sin A is equal to cos B, and this can also be written as sin A by cos B is equal to 1, right? And this also again can be written as sin A sec B is equal to 1. So if A plus B is equal to 90 means the sum of if these two angles is equal to 90, then this term should be equal, or the ratio of this will be 1, or sin A into sec B is equal to 1. Similarly, if we have cosec A it will be equal to sec B. It will be equal to sec B. Similarly, cosec A by sec B is equal to 1. And similarly, cosec A cos B is equal to 1. Okay, similarly what we will getting here. And the third term is what? Tan A. Okay, we are getting tan A is equal to cot B, which is equal to again what? This can also be written as tan A. Okay, tan A divided by cot B is equal to 1. And this can also be written as, you know that 1 by cot B is equal to tan B. 1 by cot is equal to 10. So this can also be written as tan A into tan B is equal to 1. Okay. So now here we are going to apply this. We are going to apply this property. Okay, we are going to apply this property. Okay, let's solve. So you know that tan 35 and tan 55 degree. Now 35 and 55 will give you what? 90 degree, right? That means the multiplication of these two will give you what? 1. Multiplication of these two will give you 1. Cot 40, similarly you can write it cot 40 and cot 50, right? Like this can also be written as what? Cot A, cot B. This is also equal to 1. Okay, so we have cot 40 and cot 50, so this will also give you 1, right? And tan 45 itself is 1. So overall we will get what answer? We will get 1. Is it clear to everyone? Superb. Let's move on to the another question. So what is the value of k such that number 72k 460k is divisible by 6? Okay, we have to calculate that the value of k. Okay, here we have k and here we have k, so we have to find the value of both these k's. So you know that divisibility, what is the divisibility of 6? So this the number should be divisible by 3 and 2 simultaneously. That means the number should be divisible by 3 and 2 simultaneously. So this will give me one thing, that this should be, if it is divisible by 2, that means this number should be even. So k should be even, yes or no? So k should be even. So two options are get eliminated itself, okay, because 9 and 7 are not even, they are odd. Okay, now the divisibility of 3, what is the divisibility of 3? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. So start using sum. Okay, so 7 plus 2 9, 6 and 4 10, 9 10 19. So we have 19 plus 2k, we have 19 plus 2k, right? We have 19 plus 2k. Is it clear? Okay, so question is saying that if you put what is the value of k, okay, such that this number should be divisible by what? 3. So now you know that if we put here, what we can put here, we can put either 4 or 8, because we have only two options. Okay, if we put 4, what we will get here? If we put 4, what we will get? Here should be multiple of 3. Here should be multiple of 3. If we put 4, we will get 8. 8 and 19. What we will get? We will get 27. Okay, what we will get? We will get 27. And when we put 8, we will get 16. 16 and 19. 16 and 19 will be 35. So clearly we can say that 27 is the multiple of 3. So the value of k should be what? 4. So the value of k should be what? 4. Is it clear? So option number A is my right answer. Option number A is my right answer. Is it clear to everyone? So these are the questions asked in CGL, SSC CGL 2020. So also we have SSC CHSL SAFALTA batch for you people, which is only in English medium. Okay, so this is purely an English medium batch in which you are getting 450 plus live hour classes, live foundation classes. If you have some weak foundation of mathematics or reasoning, or you can say GK or English, okay, so you will get live foundation classes, so that you will get a strong foundation before starting for the preparation. Okay, hello Suman, how are you? Good morning. So we have what? We have class PDFs here, and also daily practice papers will be given to you, so that you don't have to purchase any book, and mock test series will be there always. Okay, and sectional subject test will be there. If you want to test only English, so you can test the English language or GK test. Okay, you will get the sectional test also. So previous year paper solution, which solution you will get, and this course will be just at 1399. For that you have to use the code SSC50. So you will get the 50% discount on 2799, and you will get this at 1399 only. Okay, So if you are preparing for SSC CHSL, this is a good decision to take this course, SAFALTA batch, and for this you have to download the Exampur official app. So we have another question in front of you. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Okay, triangle ABC is what? An equilateral triangle. You know that equilateral triangle? All sides are equal. Okay, all sides are equal. So this is A, B and C. This is what? A, B and C. This is what? A, B and C. Now D and E are point on AB and AC. D and E are 2 points. So here is D and here is E. Okay, these are 2 points respectively such that DE is parallel to BC, such that DE is parallel to BC, DE is parallel to BC and is equal to the half of the length of the BC. That means you know that this is A, this is A and this is A, and this is what? A by 2. This is what? A by 2, hai na? This is half of the length of this A. Now you know that midpoint theorem. What is midpoint theorem? If we join the midpoints of the two sides, this will be parallel to the third side and half of the third side. That means we have midpoints here. That means what? These are the midpoints. These are the midpoints. Okay. That means if this is A, this will be what? A by 2. This is what? A by 2. This is also A by 2. This is also A by 2 and this is also A by 2. Is it clear to everyone? Yes. Superb. 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 Now what is question saying? If AD plus CE plus BC is equal to 30 centimeter, AD plus CE plus BC, where is AD? This is AD. So A by 2 plus CE, where is CE? This is CE. A by 2 plus BC, what is BC? This is A. This is A. And this is equal to what? This is equal to 30. So half and half A, full A. So that means 2A is equal to what? 2A is equal to 30. That means A is equal to 15. A is equal to 15. What is A? A is equal to 15. Now what is saying question? Then find the perimeter of the quadrilateral. Now this is the quadrilateral and we have to find the perimeter. What is the perimeter of this quadrilateral? Okay, perimeter is what? So we have A by 2, A by 2, A by 2 and A. So 3 times A by 2, 3 times A by 2 and plus A. So 3 times, so 3 5s, 45 by 2 plus 15. 45 by 2 plus 15. Okay, 45 by 2 plus 15. So 22.5 plus 15, what this will give you? 37.5. What this will give you? 37.5. That means option number C is my right answer. Absolutely correct, Swan. Very good. Very good. Let's move on to the another question. Weight of A is 20% more than the weight of B, whose weight is 30% more than the weight of C. Okay, so we can write it in the ratio form. So A, B and C. So weight of A is 20% more than the weight of B. That means what? If it has 5 weight, so this will be 6. Okay, you know that how we can write 20% more? We can write 20% more plus 1 by 5. Okay, so 20% is 1 by 5 and plus means what? More. So if B has 5, so A will be 6. Similarly, what is 30%? So 30% is what? 30% is what? Plus 3 by 10. That means on 10 we are going to increase the 3. That means this will be 13. This will be 13. Okay, so what is it? It is saying whose weight is 30% more than C. Whose means this person, B. So B's weight is 30% more than the C. So if C has 10, then B will be 13. Now you know that how to solve this. Just copy it. Here we don't have any C, so copy the what is the adjacent number. Okay, so adjacent number is what? 5. So copy 5. Here copy 13. Now what we have to calculate? We have to compare A and C. We have to compare only A and C. So what is A? It is 78. Okay, and what is C? It is 50. Question is saying that by how much percent weight of A is more than C? weight of A is more than C. So it is 28 more. Okay, 28 more than C. That means we have to divide by C, and for the percentage just multiply 100%. So we can easily say that it is 56% more than C. It is 56% more than C. Absolutely correct, Swan. Option number B is my right answer. Option number B is my right answer. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question, everyone. Tell me the answer for this question. This is a very lovely question. Okay, simple but somewhat twisted. Okay. 14 persons can do a work in 18 days. Okay, so we have total how much work we have? We have 14 into 18. After 5 days of the work, six workers left the work and joined back on the last day of the work. So can I say that don't come in the last, just do it in the first day only? Okay, can we say that? Or do with the another days which when we were working here? Okay, don't come on the last day. So after 5 days of the work, 6 workers left and then they came on last day. So I'm saying them don't come on the last day, just work for 6 days in the starting. Clear na? That means 14 people have worked for 18 days. This is my total work. 14 into 18 is my total work. So they have worked for 6 days. That means the remaining work is what? 14 into 12. 6 days of the work they have completed. Only 14 people's 12-day work is left. And now how many people are there? 6 workers less are there. So 6 less, that means 8 workers are there. Now I have to calculate that in how many days the total workers will complete these 12 days work. Okay, these 12 days work. Now just divide it by 4. Okay, and this will be 2. So D is equal to what? 21. D is equal to what? 21. So my 6 days work has already completed here, and the remaining work is completed in 21 days. My remaining work is completed in 21 days. That means this work is completed in overall 27 days. So option number D is my right answer. Is it clear to everyone? Absolutely correct, Swan. Very good, very good. Okay, so let me tell you again. So they have completed the work. Okay, they have completed 5 days work and then 1 day in the last day. So I told them just come and do 6-day work at once. Okay, so they have completed 6 days work. 14 people 18 days work, 14 people 6-day work khatam, finish, and 14 days 12-day work remaining. Now remaining work is done by 6 less people. 6 less people, that means only 8 people. 6 less from 14 people. Okay, 8 people. Now this 8 people have completed this much work in 21 days. So total I have got 27 days to complete the work. Okay, simplification. Now tell me the answer. I know maximum people give me wrong answer for this. है ना? Some of you don't get the options which are given to here. So I want you to tell me the answer. Either you are getting these options or not. Whatever the answer you are getting, just type in the chat box. Okay, I want to see that even you can simplify it or not. Okay, simplification just based on the bod mass. Okay, you should know the bod mass. If you know that, you can easily solve this question. Okay, so B means bracket. You know that these are the brackets. So first we have to solve these brackets, and then we have to solve off, then we have to solve divide multiplication plus minus, divide multiplication plus minus. So this is what bod mass. Tell me the answer for this question. Let's see how many of you can crack this. Let's see how many of you can crack this. Okay, So I told you that we have to first solve what? We have to first solve bracket. Okay, we have to first solve bracket. So here we get 3. After solving this bracket, we are getting here 3. Okay, and then you have to solve off. Now we have to solve off. So what is off? So here we have to solve 9 6 are 54, and here we have what? Here we have 3 3s are 9. Okay, now after solving 9, you can solve divide and multiply together. How you can solve divide and multiply together? Just converting divide. Suppose a divided by b is there, so just convert this divide into multiplication and reverse the number This is how you can solve divide and multiplication simultaneously. So you are getting minus 1 5 by 9. Okay Swan, let me see the answer is correct or not. So we know that here we getting 24, divide sign, convert into multiplication sign, just we will get 1 by 54. So we can also write it in divide by 54. Okay, divide by 54. So we have now minus sign here. So we have 2, again divide by 3. Divide by 3 means here divide by 3, and multiplication sign is there, so we can write it 3 as it is, and here is 2 as it is, plus 18 we have divided by 9. Now solve this question. So here we are getting 2, 3 gets cancelled out, here we are getting 4. Okay, here we are getting 4. So minus 4 and plus 2. Minus 4 and plus 2 will give you minus 2. Okay, will give you minus 2. And here we are getting 12 upon 27. 12 upon 27. So 12 upon 27 minus 2. Again solve this. So we are getting 27 here. Okay, we are getting 27 here. So 27 twos are, what is 27 twos are? Tell me. 27 twos are 54. Absolutely correct. Okay, 54. So 12 minus 54, this will give you what? This will give you 2, and 42 minus 42 by 27. Okay, just cancel out 3 times. So minus 14 by 9. So minus 14 by 9 can be again written as minus 5 by 9. Minus 5 by 9. Minus 1 5 by 9. So 14 by 9, absolutely correct. Minus 1 5 by 9 is the right answer. Okay, all of you got this the same answer. Sohan, you are absolutely right. Okay, absolutely right. So this is how, if you know that, you can easily solve these questions. Okay, I have given the step-by-step process. Even you can solve many of the questions in mind only. Okay, so in a circle, chords AB and CD intersect internally at E. So this is how the circle is. Okay, so suppose these are two chords. These are two chords AB and CD. Okay, AB and CD. These chords intersect at E. Okay, these two chords intersect at E. Now saying, what is question saying? That CD is 16 centimeter. Okay, CD is 16 centimeter. CD is 16 centimeter. DE is 6. So this is 6. If CD is 16, DE is 6, this much is 6. So this will be 10. Okay, CE will be 10. Yes or no? Again, AE is 12 centimeter. AE is 12 centimeter. This much is 12 centimeter. Okay, and BE is X. BE is X, and we have to find the value of X. So if two chords intersect each other at a point, you can directly write it as AE, A into E multiply by B into E multiply by B into E is equal to C into E multiply by C into D into E. Okay, so this is how you have to write. So this is the formula. Again, we are not going to prove this. Just put the value and solve for the answer. So what is AE? AE is 12. B we have to calculate. CE is what? 10, and DE is 6. So you know that 6 tens are 60. So what is 12? 12 fives are 60. Right? We can directly say that X is equal to 5. we can directly say that x is equal to 5. Let's move on to the another question. The average of the square of 5 consecutive odd natural numbers is 233. Is 233. Okay. So we know that how we are going to let the numbers. We know that x. Okay. How we let 5 consecutive natural numbers. So x plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 4 and x minus 4. This is how we are going to let the numbers. Okay. So average of this is x. You know that this is the higher number and this is the lowest number. But question is saying that this average of the squares of these numbers, is this 233. Okay. Now if we square all these numbers and get average, for averaging we have to get sum of all these. Okay. Now you should know that a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. And what is a minus b whole square? This will give you a square minus b plus b square minus 2ab. So you know that when we add both of these, okay, a square plus b square, when we add both these, this will get cancelled out. So we will get 2a square plus 2b square, nothing else, right? Clear? So when we square all these and get sum of this, question is saying that squares of these numbers, average of the square of these numbers is equal to 233. This is question is saying. Okay, this question is saying. Clear to everyone? Sir, आपकी क्लास की टाइमिंग, आप मेरी क्लास की टाइमिंग, my class timing is actually from 10 to 1. Okay, today is 10 to 1. Today is marathon, na? Saturday we have marathon. Okay, for regular classes you will get the schedule in the upcoming live sessions. Okay, you will get the schedule on Monday. So this is how we have, this is what we have. Okay, this is what we have. So Suhan is getting 15. So now I told you that here we have a minus b, here we have a plus b, here we have a minus b, here we have a plus b. Okay, clear? So what we are getting here? We are getting here 2a square plus b square. Okay, 2 times of a square and b square. Similarly we are getting same thing here. Similarly we are getting same thing here. Okay, so this and this, all the positive numbers we are only getting here. So what we are getting? We are getting 16. 2 times 16, that means 32. Okay, 2 times of 16, that means 32. And 2 times of 4, that means 2 times of 4, that means 8. 2 times of 4, that means 8. 2 times of 4, that means 8. That means we are getting 40 here. That means we are getting 40 here. Okay, so let's solve the question. Let's solve the question. So what we have here? We have a minus b whole square. We have a plus b whole square. So we can write it 2x square plus 16. Okay, again plus we have what? 2x square plus 4 square, sorry 2 square, or we can directly write 2, and we have plus x square. We have direct x square. So 2 times x square, 2 times x square, 1 time x square. Total we have 5 times x square here. Okay, and we have 32 and 8, that means 40 here, and 5 will get multiplied there, or we can divide it here only. We don't have any problem. Okay, so we are getting what here? We are getting 5x square plus 50, 5x square plus 40 divided by 5 is equal to what? 233. Is equal to what? 233. Divide it. Okay, divide it, and we are getting what? Now we are getting, divide it, and we are getting x square plus 8 is equal to 233, and x square is equal to what? It is 225. And what is x? X is what? Yes, 15. So what is x? X is 15. Now question is saying the average of first and last number. Okay, average of first and last. So you all know that, okay, what you know that the average of first and last number in any consecutive, in odd consecutive numbers means, if there are means there are, if there are 5 consecutive numbers, 7 consecutive numbers, 9 consecutive numbers, odd numbers of consecutive numbers. Okay, so middle number is my average. So middle number is my average. So also we know that if there are consecutive number, the average of first and last number gives me the average of whole series. So question is asking what is the average of largest and smallest, that means average of x minus 4 and x plus 4. This will give you the average of the whole series, that means x. So 15 is my right answer. Okay, so also you can write 15 plus 4, that means 19, and 15 minus 4, that means 11. You can take the average of this and you will get the 15 also, but you don't have to do this, okay, because we already know that the average of first and last number will give you the average of whole series, which is nothing but the middle number. Okay, and middle number is what? X, that we have already calculated. Clear? So 15 is my right answer. Is it clear? So these calculations I have done for you, but you have to do it mentally. Okay, you have to do it mentally because you know all the formulas. So you know that when we multiply, we get what we will get. We get 2 times of x here, 2 times of x here, and 1 time. So 5 times of x, 5 times of x square, and we will get 2 times of this and 2 times of this. So 36 and square of this and 2 times of the square of this. So 16 into 2, 32, 4 into 2, 8, so 40 we will get here. Okay, so this is how we can calculate mentally. This is how we can calculate it mentally. Okay, now tell me the answer for this question. Now tell me the answer for this question. A and sold, okay, A sold an article to B at a profit of 25%. B sold it to C at a profit of 15%. Okay, so A sold, okay, what is A? A multiply by, A sold it at a profit of what? 25%. So 4, 5 by 4. Okay, so now this is the cost price of B. Now this is the cost price of B. A sold it to the B. Now this is the cost price of B. Okay, now B sold it to at the 15% profit. That means B sold it at 23 by 20. Okay, you know that 15% means what? 15% is 3 by 20. Okay, that means 3 by 20 is my profit. So it is sold at 20 plus 3. And also what here? 25% is what? Plus 1 by 4. So the price is 4. If the price is 4, we will get 1 profit. We will send it. We will sold it at 5 by 4. Okay. Now what is question saying? The profit made by B is 40 less than the profit made by A. Now what is A's profit? What is A's profit? What is A's profit? So A's profit is A into 1 by 4. Yes or no? What is A's profit? A's profit is 1 by 4 of A. Whatever he has, whatever the A value is there, okay, 1 by 4 is the profit. 25% profit means 1 by 4 is the profit. And what is the profit of B? Profit made by A is the profit made by B is 40 less than profit by A. That means profit of A is more, and we have to subtract this profit of B. What is profit of B? So this is the cost price of B. This is the cost price of B. I have to write this. This is the cost price of B. Okay. Now on this cost price, he has made some profit. What is the profit? 3 by 20 profit. He has made 3 by 20 profit. Is it clear? Is it clear? So here what we have? 5. Here we have cancelled. Here we have 3 by 16. We can also write it in 16 format. So here we have 4 by 16. Here we have 4 by 16 minus A into 3 by 16. Okay, so 4A by 16 minus 3A by 16. So finally we are getting? We are getting A by 16. Simply, right? 4 times minus 3 times is equal to 1 times. And this is what? This is actually the difference. This difference is actually given in the question. Okay, what is this difference? This difference is 40. This difference is 40. This difference is 40. This difference is 40. So my answer is what? My answer is 16 into 4, 640 is my answer. Is it clear? So did you get that 640? All of you? Did you get that 640? Okay. So this is how we have to calculate. So just listen to the question, what is question saying, just observe the things, what the things are there, okay, and just solve this question. Okay, clear to everyone? Very good. Let's move on to the another question. So again from a trigonometry, we have got a question from trigonometry. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. If sine 20 degree plus x degree, if sine 20 degree plus x degree is equal to cos 60 degree. I told you this thing, when sine A is equal to cos B. Okay, when sine A is equal to cos B, I told you when these two are equal, that means their A plus B is equal to 90 degree. So if we add 20 plus 60 plus x, this should be equal to 90. Okay, 20 plus 60, 80 plus x is equal to 90. That means x is equal to 10. Did you get that? I am saying that sum of these two is equal to 90. So this is 60, this is 20, 80, remaining is what? 10. So here is x, that means x is equal to 10. Or you can write in equation form also, whatever. Okay, so you can write this thing like this also, x is equal to 90 minus 80 is equal to 10 degree, but you can calculate it directly in your mind. Okay, so x is equal to 10. Just solve this thing now. X is equal to what? 10. Okay, we got x is equal to 10 degree. So 2 sine square, 3x means 30, 30 plus 15, 45 degree. Okay, minus cosec square, 2x means 20 plus 10, that means 30 degree. Now solve this. So 2 sine, what is sine 45? Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So square of this will give you 1 by 2. 1 by root 2 square will give you 1 by 2. Minus cosec square 30 degree. So what is sine 30 degree? Just reverse it. This will be cosec 30 degree. So sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Reverse it, then this will give you what? 2. So 2 square is nothing but 4. 2 square is nothing but 4. So here we cancelled out it. So we get 1 minus 4. This will give you minus 3. So minus 3 is my right answer. That means option number B. Minus 3 is my right answer. Superb, Suhan. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Okay. Next question. Next question from ratio. Next question from ratio. Tell me the answer for this question. The ratio of two numbers A and B is 5:8. Okay, the ratio of two numbers A and B is 5:8. If 5 is added to each A and B, if 5 is added to each A and B, then the ratio becomes 2:3. So there is A and there is B. Okay, so ratio was what? 5:8. Now what is the new ratio? New ratio is 2:3. New ratio is 2:3. When we get this new ratio, when we add 5 to each number, if we are adding 5 to each number, that means the ratio should have same difference. Okay, so 5 and 2, here we are getting difference of 3. Here 8 and 3, here we are getting the difference of 5. So difference is not same. So to make the differences same, just check the difference between these two and these two. The difference of 2 and 3 is 1. The difference of 5 and 8 is 3. So just make this difference same, this difference equal. To make it equal, we have to multiply here 3 and here multiply by 1. Okay. So what we are getting here? 5, 8 as it is. And here we are getting 6 and 9. Here we are getting 6 and 9. Clear to everyone? Here we are getting 6 and 9. Now just check 5 plus 1 6, 8 plus 1 9. That means now the difference is same. Now the difference is same. So this one increment is actually equal to what? 5. This one increment is equal to 5 according to question. That means 1 unit is equal to 5. That means 1 unit is equal to 5. Now question is saying what is the difference between them? So what is the difference? Here is also 3 difference. Here is also 3 difference. Difference is same. Okay, if difference is same, you know that 3 unit is my difference. So my answer is what? My answer is 15. My answer is 15. Option number A is my correct answer. Okay, yes Suhan, absolutely correct. 15 is your right answer. Okay, so SSC CHSL Safalta batch 2022, if you are targeting SSC CHSL, then do join this batch, because you are getting what? You are getting approx 450 plus hours of live classes. Live foundation classes will be there, okay, to build your foundation, and class PDFs in the bilingual format. Okay, along with that, daily practice paper you are getting, mock test will be there, sectional subjects test will be there. If you want to test your mathematics or test your English, you will get the sectional subject test will be there. Okay, and again you will get the previous year paper, and all this package you are getting at only 1399. For that you have to use the code SSC50 while checking out. Okay, for that you have to just download Exampur official app. Okay, and that app, just register yourself, go to the paid course option, and you will get this batch at 1399. Okay, so if you are preparing for SSC CHSL, okay, which is in line with along with the SSC Cgl exam, okay, in the next exam we are getting SSC CHSL. Also we have SSC GD batch. Okay, so you can also join that if you are preparing for constable exams. So the another question is from I will tell you the short trick for this question. Okay, I will tell you the short trick for this question. It is a very good question and you can directly solve this question. Let me tell you. So first convert this thing. Okay, convert this thing like this: a square plus b square plus c square plus 216 is equal to 2. We should write here 2. Okay, we should write here 2, and all the things will be multiplied in the bracket. So if here it is 2, we can write it 2 into 6. So multiply 6 in the inside the bracket. So we will get 6a plus 6b minus 12c. Okay, okay, now what is the magic? Magic is that we have got a value, that is 6, coefficient of a. What is b value? B value is 6, coefficient of b. And what is c value? It is minus 12, coefficient of c. Okay, so if you form this question in this format, okay, you will get the value of a, b and c directly. Two more things you will get here. You will get the value of this thing. This thing value is equal to this 216. You can calculate by solving this. Okay, so a square plus b square plus 12 square, if you add all these, you will get 216. And also if you want to solve this, this will also give you the same thing. This will also give you the 216. Okay, just apply the same thing and you will get the same thing here. This will also give you the 216. But we don't have to calculate a square plus b square plus c square. We don't have to calculate 6a plus 6b minus 12c. We have to calculate this. So we have derived the ABC values. Just put the ABC values and solve. So 6 into 6, 36. Then minus, we have minus BC. So minus plus. So 12 sevens are 72 plus. We again have minus and we have to solve AC. That means this thing and this thing. So this will again minus got plus. Okay. So again we are getting here what? 72. So 72 is nothing but 36 into 2. So 36 one time, 36 two times, 36 two times. 36 one time, 36 two times, 36 two times. So overall 36 5 times. Overall we are getting 36 5 times. Yes or no? Overall we are getting 36 5 times. So 36 will come out and answer will be what? 6 root 5. And the answer will what? 6 root 5. Did you get that? Yes or no? Do you like the trick? Okay. Do let me in the comment section that yes, the trick is very good and we can directly solve this question. Okay, otherwise what you have to do, you have to solve this question and come to here, and you have to make a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and all these things you have to calculate here, and then you are getting what? Then you are getting ABC's value. So that was a very lengthy process. I told you a very simple short trick for the same question. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. If 2a plus 3 by a minus 1, okay, how we can write this? How we can write this? 2a plus 3 by a is equal to 12. Okay, 3a plus 2 by a is equal to 12. So can we say that this is my x, this is my y, yes or no, is equal to something, it is equal to z? It is something equal to z, yes or no? And now this is what? This is what? This is 2a square and this is 3 by a square. That means we have to find out x square plus y square. Yes or no? Yes or no? Did you see that? Did you see that? Okay. So we have given x plus y. We have to solve x square plus y square. Okay. And we know that the formula. We know the formula. What is the formula? What is the formula to find x square plus y square? What is the formula? X square plus y square gives you, it is x plus y square minus 2ab minus 2xy. Yes or no? X plus y whole square minus 2xy will give you what? X square plus y square. So we have x plus y, this is 12. Okay, x plus y is what? 12. We have calculated already. If this is x, this is y. So this will be x square, y square. So x plus y is equal to 12. Now we have to calculate xy. Now we have to calculate xy. So what is xy? Xy is 2a into 3 by a. This is x, this is y. So 2a into 3 by a, this will give you what? 6. A got cancelled out and this will give you what? 6. This will give you 6. Put these values. Put these values. So x plus y, 12 square, that means 144, minus 2 into 6, that means 12. So 144 minus 12 is 132. So this is my answer. Option number D. Option number D is my right answer. Did you get that, Swan? Yes, very good, very good. Superb. Superb. Next question. Next question again from trigonometry. Next question again from trigonometry. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. If 5a minus 15 degree is equal to cosec, okay, we have sec and cosec equal. We have sec and cosec equal. So I told you that if sec A is equal to cosec B, that means A plus B is equal to what? 90 degree. That means 5a minus 15 degree plus 15 degree minus 2a is equal to what? 90 degree. So these two gets cancelled out. 5a minus 2a is equal to 3a is equal to what? 90 degree. Yes or no? Clear? Now what we are getting? We are getting a is equal to 30 degree. Now if a is equal to 30 degree, we have to calculate cos a, that means cos 30. We have to calculate cos 30 plus 2 sin 2a, that means sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree. And tan 1.5a. What is 1.5a? 1.5 is 3 by 2. A is 30 degree. So when we are going to cancel out it, this will give you 45 degree. This will give you 45 degree. That means we have to calculate what? We have to calculate tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree. That's it. Solve this. So cos 30 degree is what? Root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degree is what? Root 3 by 2. And this is what? 1. So half will give you full. Half will give you full. That means root 3. Okay, half will give you full. That means root 3. And this will give you what? 1. So root 3 plus 1 is my right answer. That means option number D. Root 3 plus 1 is my right answer. That means option number D. Absolutely, Swan. Absolutely correct. Superb. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question now. Tell me the answer for this question. So you are getting option number D, absolutely correct. Now what is the quadrant? You know that what is the quadrant, okay? So this is the quadrant. So each quadrant is of 90 degree. Each quadrant is of 90 degree. You know that already, right? So question, what is question saying? That the area of a quadrant of a circle, that means this is the area of a circle and one quadrant. So we have what in 360 degree? In 360 degree we have one quadrant of 90 degree. That means this is just a 1/4 of whole quadrant. So one quadrant is nothing but 1/4 of the full quadrant. Okay, clear? So this is the area which is equal to pi by 9, which is equal to pi by 9. So pi got cancelled out. R square will be what? 4 will get here, 4 by 9. And what is the answer? Answer is 2 by 3. Answer is what? 2 by 3. Yes or no? Answer is what? 2 by 3. Did you get that? Yes or no? All clear? All clear. Super. So my answer is option number D. So my answer is again option number D. Yes, Sohan, 2 by 3 is my right answer. Let's move on to the another question. So if 2 cos square theta minus 5, 2 cos square theta minus 5 cos theta. Let me write it. 2 cos square theta minus 5 cos theta plus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 2 is equal to 0, where theta is a acute angle. Okay, where theta is a acute angle. So you know that this is the quadratic equation. Okay, if x is equal to cos theta, we can write it 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. And we know that how to solve the quadratic equation. X is equal to what? Just write it the factor form. Okay, what is the factor? So 2 into 2, 4 into 1 is the factor. Okay, just add 4 and 1, you will get 5. You are getting 5 here? Yes, that means 4 and 1 is my factor. 4 and 1 are my factors. Okay, now whatever comes with x square, just divide it to the both side. Just divide it to the both side. Okay, now if minus plus is there, you will get the plus sign. Okay, for minus plus, here let me tell you sign convention. Sign convention. What is the sign convention? If here it is quadratic equation, and here we are getting what? Here we are getting answer. Okay, and also in the answer we are getting higher and lower part. So first you have to write higher part and then you have to write lower part. Okay, A but not sure. Okay, let's see. So if the quadratic equation has plus, okay, if the quadratic equation has plus or plus minus, so my answer will be what? Minus plus. That means the higher number is negative and the lower number is positive. If my answer is plus minus, then all will be positive. Higher and lower both will be positive. If my quadratic equation has plus sign, that means both will get the minus. Both the higher and lower both will get minus sign. And if both are minus in the question, then plus minus will be the first one will be plus and the other will be minus. So here minus plus sign is there, that's why I wrote directly plus. So here what we are getting? Here we are getting x means cos theta. So we are getting cos theta's two values. One is 2 and one is half. So 2 is not possible. Why? Because cos theta has a range. Cos theta is equal to cos theta lies between -1 and -1 and +1. Yes, it lies between -1 and +1. So 2 cannot be possible. That means cos theta value is what? 60 degree. Cos theta value is what? Cos theta value is what? 1/2. Okay, and if cos theta is equal to 1/2, that means theta is equal to what? 60 degree. That means theta is what? 60 degree, yes or no? If theta is 60 degree, we have to find this thing. Okay, what is sec 60? Just opposite of the cos, that means 2. And what is tan 60 degree? Tan 60 degree is root 3. Clear? We got the cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is what? 1 by 2. Just reverse it, you will get 2. So A is not the right answer. Okay, the right answer is option number, again option number D. Okay, the right answer is option number D. Is it clear, everyone? Sorry. Okay, so did you get that? Okay, super. So this is how we are getting. So, always remember that this range, okay, this is true for cos theta and sin theta both. This is true for cos theta and sin theta both. Okay, let's move on to the another question. Again we have a simplification question. Tell me the answer for this question now. Tell me the answer for this question. We don't have bracket, so we have to solve the off first. So we are getting 6 here. Okay, 18 of 2 is what? 36. Now solve the question. Now solve the question. So 15 plus 6 into 4, that means 24, plus 9 divided by 36. 9 divided by 36 multiply by 3 minus 4 divided by 8 multiply by 2. So this is what we are getting here. Okay, just solve. So 9 4 times, 4 2s are 8. Okay, and here we are getting what? 39. So here it is not plus, here it is divide sign. Here it is not plus, here it is divide sign. Hai na? If you are not getting the answer, just make it correct. Here it is divide sign. Okay, here it is divide sign. Here it is divide sign. Okay. Okay, just correct this sign. Here we have divide sign. So 15 divided by 6, this will give you what? This will give you 15 by 6. Okay, this will give you what? 15 by 6. Okay, solve now. So here 5 by 2, we will get 5 by 2. Okay, 3 times 5, 3 times 2, 5 by 2. Here we are getting 3 by 4, and here we are getting what? Minus 1. Here we are getting minus 1. So 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4 and minus 1. Okay, solve all these. What you are getting? You are getting 4. So 10 plus 3 minus 4. 10 plus 3 minus 4. That means minus 9 by 4. Okay, something I have missed. Okay, let me see. Okay, 4 is missed here. 4 is missed here, right? 4 is missed here. Is it plus or divide? I think something is missing here. I think it is divide only. Okay. So 6 into 4, 24. Here we have 24. So 24 got cancelled out. Let me write it again. 15 divided by 24. So it will be cancelled out 3 times and 8 times. Okay, 3 times and 8 times. Clear? And here we have 5 by 8. 3 5s are, 3 8s are, 5 by 8. Here we are getting 5 by 8. Okay. Now we have to solve this. Okay. So we are getting LCM as 8. We are getting LCM as 8. And now 5 as it is. And 4, we have 6 will be here and minus 8 will be here. Okay. So we are getting something wrong here. Okay. What we have did, 9 is there. 18 2s are 36. Okay. Clearly into 3 is here. 3 by 4. 9 4s are, yes, 3 by 4 is clear. And here we are getting what? Here we are getting 4 divided by 8. So maybe this thing is possibly 39. Did you get that? 39 by 4 is your answer. 39 by 4. 33 9 by 4 or 93 by 4. Let me check. I think the question has something. We have problem with the question. I think some signs are mismatched. Okay, some signs are mismatched. So we have plus sign here, divide by 1982 394. Okay, all signs are good. Let me solve it again. So this is the divide sign. So we have 15 here and 3 of 2 is 6. 6, it is in the divide, and we have multiply sign here. Yeah, that's we are doing wrong, है ना? Because this is divide sign and I have multiplied it on the go. So it's okay. So we have 15 by 6, then we have multiply sign, then we have plus, then we have 9. Okay, then we have what? Divided by 36, then we have multiply sign, and then we have minus sign, then 4 divide by 8 multiply by 2. Now solve it. Now solve it. Okay, this will be divide sign. Okay, this will be divide sign. This will be divide sign. So solve it. Okay, so 15 4s are 60. So 60 cancel out it 10 times. This will be cancelled out like this. 4 will be cancelled out by 1. Okay, so we are getting what? 10 minus 1 plus 3 by 4. So we are finally getting what? 93 by 4 as my answer. 93 by 4 will be the answer. Clear? 93 by 4 will be the answer. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear? 93 by 4. Yes, Sohan, absolutely correct. 93 by 4 is your right answer. Let's move on to the another question. Sohan, 93 by 4 is absolutely correct. Okay. So if x by y plus y by x is equal to 2, if x by y plus y by x is equal to 2, where x and y are not equal to 0, then the value of x minus y. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Okay, tell me the answer for this question. Sorry. Today something is happening to me. So x by y plus y by x. So this is something like this, x a plus 1 upon a. Yes or no? A plus 1 upon a. If a is equal to x by y, then we can write it 1 by a is what? Y by x. So a plus 1 by a is equal to 2. A plus 1 by a is equal to 2. This is the question is saying. So whenever you are getting a number and it's reciprocal, okay, so the number and it's reciprocal, if you add both these number and if you are getting 2, that means this number is nothing but 1. This number is nothing but 1. So whenever you are getting a plus 1 upon a barabar 2, this is only possible when a is equal to what? 1. If a is equal to 1, that means x by y is equal to 1. That means x by y is equal to 1. That means what? X is equal to y. That means what? X is equal to y. And if x is equal to y, then x minus y is equal to what? 0. Yes or no? Just put it here. X is equal to y. We can write it. Just take the y to the LHS. So x minus y is equal to what? 0. Yes or no? So if x and y are equal, then x minus y is equal to 0. X minus y is equal to 0. So here you should know a condition. What is the condition? If a plus 1 upon a is equal to 2, if a plus 1 upon a is equal to 2, then what is a equal to? A is equal to 1. What is a is equal to? A is equal to 1. And what we have let a is what? X by y. So x is equal to y. Okay. And just take the y here. you will get x minus y is equal to 0. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. So option number is D, my answer. Next question from profit and loss. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Yes, a shopkeeper sold two items. The selling price of the first item equals the cost price of the second item. He sold the first item at 20% profit and the second item at 10% loss. At 10% loss. Good morning, Shreya. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. So, question is saying that first item was sold at 20% profit. So, what is 20% profit? 20% profit is profit of 5, profit of 1 on 5. Okay, profit of 1 on 5. So, we are going to write it on directly SP by CP form. We are going to write it on SP by CP form. Okay, so 20% profit, what it means, plus 1 by 5, that means profit of 1 on 5. That means if my CP is 5, I am going to sell it 1 more, that means at 6. Okay, clear? And the another one another one SP by CP, okay. So this is SP1 CP1, this is SP2 CP2, second. So second was sold at 10% loss. What is 10% loss? 10% loss means minus 1 by 10. That means if my CP is 10, I am going to sell it at 1 rupees loss. Okay, if my if my CP is 10, then my SP what it will be? It will be 9. Okay, so I got the answer from Sohan, 3, 7 by 11. Very good, Sohan. So question is saying that the selling price of the first item is equal to the cost price of the second. Selling price of first item. What is selling price of first item? It is 6 and it is equal to the cost price of the second. That means 10. If we made equal both the things, how we have to make equal? We have to take the LCM both of these. What is the LCM? It is 30. So we have to multiply 5 here and 5 here. We have to multiply 3 here and 3 here. Okay, clear to everyone? So what we are getting here? We are getting 30 by 25. And what we are getting here? We are getting here 27 by 30. So according to question, the selling price of first item is equal to the cost price of the second. Now we have to tell what is overall profit and loss. So what is overall? So add both the SPs in the above, you will get what? 57, and add both the CP below. Add both the CP below. Clear? So what is question saying? That how much profit? So just we are getting 2 profit on 55. We are getting 2 profit on 55. We are getting 2 profit on 55. So what is the overall profit? So 2 by 55 into 100%. 2 by 55 into 100%. 2 by 55 into 100%. So we are getting we have to calculate this. So here we are getting 11. Here we are getting 20. So 22 is 40 by 11. 40 by 11%. If we are getting 40 by 11, no. So just divide it 3 times, we are getting 7, 11. So 3, 7, 11 is my right answer. 3, 7, 11, that means option number B is absolutely correct. Yes, Shreya and Suhan, absolutely correct. Okay, tell me the answer for this question now. Tell me the answer for this question. Okay, tell me the answer for this question. What is the sum of the digits of the largest 5-digit number? What is the largest 5-digit number? Largest 5-digit number is 5 times 9. Okay, this is the largest 5-digit number. But we have to calculate a number which is divisible by this. Okay, which is divisible by this. So we have to take the LCM of this. So my bigger number is what? 13 into 5. This is 13 into 3. So we have 13, we don't have 3. This is 5 into 7. So we have 5, but we don't have 7. and this is 5, we already have 5. So multiply all these and you will get what? You will get the LCM. You will get the LCM. Okay. So 13 5s are 65, multiply by 21. 65 1s are 65, carry 6, 65 2s are 130 and 6, 1365. We will get 1365. Now what we have to do? We have to divide it by 1365. Okay. So this will give how much time? How many times? So this is what 13, and we know that 13 7s are 91. We know that 13 7s are 91. So this is around 90s. So we can write it 7 times. So 7 5s are 35, carry 3. Okay, carry 3. So 7 6 are 42 and carry again 5. We are getting 5 here. So we have now 4. Okay, 45. So 21. 7 3s are 21. 21 and 4. 25 again, carry 2, and 7 1s are 7 and 2 9. So we are getting 444 here and 9 we will get here. Okay, now you know that 13 3 times we can get 3 times here, right? 13 3s are 39. So 3 times we will get here what? 15, carry 1. Clear? Then 18 and 1 19, again carry 1. 10, again carry 1, and we will get 4 here. So here 4 times 44 9, we will get 5 here what, and here we will get 354. Here we will get what? 354. We have to subtract this 354 from it and we will get that number which is exactly divisible by this. So just subtract this number from this, so you will get the required number. You will get the required number. So 4 will gone, will give 5, will give 4, will give 6 and 99. So this is what we are getting. Okay, this is what we are getting. 99645. 99645. And what we have to do? We have to find what is the sum of the digit of this largest number. We have to find the sum of the digits. Okay, so 9 and 9 18, 18 and 6 and 4 10. So 10 and 18 what is 28? Okay, and 5 will give you 33. So 33, and that means option number A is my right answer. Clear? Option number A, absolutely correct, Swan. Absolutely correct. So option number A is my right answer. Option number A is my right answer. Now tell me the answer for this question. 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 3x plus 4 by x is equal to 12. Okay, so here we have what? 3x minus 4 by x. So can we say that this is a plus b and this is what? A minus b? Yes or no? This is a plus b and this is a minus b. And what is the relation between the two? We know that a plus b, we have to find a minus b, na? We know that a plus b whole square plus minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. Is equal to 4ab. Now, if the given values is this, we can find this. If given is this, we can find this. Clear to everyone? So we have to find what? This thing. Okay. So this thing will go here and this will come here. So overall what we are getting? We are getting a minus b is equal to under root of a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Clear? So we have a plus b already. We just have to calculate ab. Okay, ab. So what is ab? What is ab? ab is 3x multiplied by 4 by x. That is nothing but 12. That is nothing but 12. Just put and get the answer. Okay, just put the value and get the answer. So under root a plus b whole square, that means 144 minus 4 into 12. That means 48. So we are getting here under root 96. Under root 96, what is 96? 16 6 is a. Okay. So 16 will came out and you will get 4 root 6. You will get 4 root 6. That means option number. That means option number D. Clear? That means option number D. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Okay. So I have wrote the formula like this only. That formula I taught you earlier. Okay. So this is how you have to calculate. If there is the plus sign here, you will get minus sign here, and you will get the plus sign here. It is that simple. So this is how we can calculate this question. Let me tell you the another question, but before that, SSC CHSL batch is for you guys. Okay, it is SAFALTA batch and it is based on SSC CHSL 2022 examination. So if you are preparing, and if any colleague or your friend is preparing for SSC CHSL, do let them know, because here he is getting what, 450 plus hour of live classes. Again, live foundation classes if you have any weak foundation for any subject. Also class PDFs you are getting here. Okay, mock test will be there, daily practice paper will be there, so that you don't have to buy any another book or go for any another material. And there will be a sectional test. Okay, so if you are weak in suppose English and you want to test English, if you are weak in geography, if you want to check the geography knowledge, so you can go for sectional test also. And also previous year paper will be there, and all this package you are getting at 1399. For that you have to download Exampur official app and register yourself in the paid course section. While checking out, just use SSC 50 to get this course at 1399. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Everyone, tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Is it tough? Can I say that? Sorry. Can I say that this is nothing but A minus B? Okay, this is nothing but A minus B, and this is nothing but A plus B. Okay, is it similar? So A minus B is given, and we have to calculate A plus B here. A minus B is given, and we have to calculate A plus B here. So how to calculate A plus B? So A plus B is equal to under root of A minus B whole square plus 4AB. Okay, so if here is minus sign, here it will be plus, and here it will be minus. So just change the sign, you will get the same result. So A plus B we have to find. Okay, so for that A minus B we already have 5. Okay, but for AB we have to calculate. So when we multiply 4x to the power 2001 to 5 by x to the power 2001, x to the power 2001 will get cancelled out, and we will get what, 4 into 5. We will get what, 4 into 5. So this will be what, 20. 4 into 5 will be what, 20. Yes. So now solve the question. So A minus B is nothing but 5. So there will be 25. 5 square will be 25 plus 4 into 20. Plus 4 into 20. So 25 plus 80. And my answer will be what, 105. Okay. What is the answer? 105. Under root 105. So this is option number D. Option number B is my right answer. Did you all get that? Can you do these types of question now onwards? Yes or no? If you get this question in the examination, can you do this now? This is all just based on these formulas that we already know. Okay, if we just have to apply these formula in different ways. Okay, tell me the answer for this question now. Tell me the answer for this question, everyone. Tell me the answer for this question. So if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 3, then find the value of x to the power 4 minus 1 upon x to the power 4. First discuss this thing. X to the power 4 can be written as x square and can be written as minus 1 upon x square whole square. Again, this can be written as what? This can be written as what? 1 upon, or we can directly say that if this is a की power 4 and b power 4, okay, so we can write it a square minus b square, a square plus b square. Again, we can write this a minus b, a plus b, okay, again we can write this a minus b, a plus b multiply by a square plus b square, okay, a square plus b square. So this is how we have to calculate this. So we want to know three values. We have a plus b, we want to know about x minus 1 upon x minus y, we want to know about x square plus 1 upon x square. This is what we want to know. This is what we want to know. Is it clear? Okay, so to calculate this thing, we have to calculate these much things. So we already have x plus 1 upon x. So how to calculate? I just told you that how to calculate if we have a plus b, how to calculate a minus b. How to calculate a minus b? So you have to square it and just minus 4. If it is minus, just minus 4, it will give you what? Under root 5. This will give you what? Under root 5, x minus 1 upon x minus 1. Okay. And what this will give you? Square of this minus 2. Okay, so 9 minus 2, this will give you 7. 9 minus 2, this will give you 7. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate x to the power 4 upon x to the power minus 1 upon x to the power 4. This will give you what? X square plus 1 upon x square, x plus 1, x plus 1 upon x, and x minus 1 upon x. We just saw how we will get this. Okay, we just saw how we will get this thing. So x square plus 1 upon x square is 7, multiply by 3, multiply by root 5. So what we are getting? 21 root 5. 21 root 5 is my right answer. That means option number D. That means option number D. That means option number D. Clear? Clear to everyone? Clear to everyone? Superb. So this is how we are getting these types of question. I already told you how to solve this. Okay, if we have a plus b, how to solve a minus b? A square minus 4ab. ab is 1, so I wrote only 4 here. So 9 minus 4 is root 5. Here we have a square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. So a plus b is what? 3. 3 square is 9. Minus 2ab, ab is 1, so just minus 2 will be sufficient for this. Okay, so this is how we got x square plus 1 upon x square. So option number D is my right answer. Now tell me the answer for this question. I told you this this property, okay, x plus 1 upon x is equal to 2. I already told you this property. Tell me the answer for this question. How now minus 2, 7 coming? Kirti Sudarshan. Okay. Let me tell you. There are some formulas, okay? There are some formulas, but first let me derive first, then I will write here, okay? So we have x plus 1 upon x is equal to 3. Multiply, squaring both sides. Okay, squaring both sides. We are getting x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is 2ab? 2 into x into 1 upon x is equal to 9. So here x and x got cancelled out. So what we are getting? X square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 9. And this will go there, 9 minus 2, and this is how we are getting 7. Kirti, is it clear? Kirti, it is clear. Is it clear? Superb. So now, if x plus 1 upon x is equal to a, x plus 1 upon x is equal to a, then remember first thing, x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to a square minus 2. A square minus 2 that we have done earlier, right? A square minus 2. This will give you what? A square minus 2. Second thing, if you want to take cube, so x cube plus 1 upon x cube will give you a cube minus 3a. A cube minus 3a. And third thing, you can calculate x minus 1 upon x, and this will give you what? This will give you a square minus 4. This will give you a square minus 4. And all these things you will get when x plus 1 upon x is equal to a is given. Okay, x plus 1 upon x is equal to a is given. I am going to rub this. Okay, so if x minus 1 upon x is equal to a is given, then first thing you will get what? You will get x square plus 1 upon x square. This will give you, just reverse the sign, you will get a square plus 2 here. There, if sign is positive, you will get negative. Here sign is negative, you will get the positive result. Here you cannot calculate x cube plus 1 upon x cube because after cubing this will give negative result. So this will give you x cube minus 1 upon x cube, and this will be what? A cube plus 3ab plus 3a. This will give you x cube plus 3a. And third thing, from x minus 1 you can calculate x plus 1 upon x also. Okay, x minus 1 upon x, you can calculate x plus 1 upon x. How? A square plus 4. A square plus 4. Okay, so you can also take the screenshot for this. Okay, these are very helpful formulas. Now tell me the answer for this question. Okay, if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 2, always remember, if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 2, if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 2, then x is equal to 1. If x minus 1 upon x is equal to minus 2, sorry, x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 2, then x is equal to minus 1. Always remember that. Okay, always remember that. So here what is that? Here all my x are what? 1. All my x are what? 1. And whatever the power of 1 will be 1 only. So what I am getting here, I am getting plus 1 minus 1, plus 1 minus 1, plus 1 minus 1, and finally minus 1. Okay, so all will get plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled out because we have 100 numbers. So 50 will be plus and 50 will be minus. Okay, so 50 plus 1, 50 minus 1, and we are getting what? 0 here. We are getting 0 here. Yes, Swan, this will be 0. Clear? We are getting from 100, 99, 97, 98, and till what? 1. Till what? 1. Okay, remember that. So this is how we are getting here. Okay, so this is how we are getting here, 0. Okay, so there will be 50 number positive and 50 number will be negative. Okay, you can see the plus minus series is going on, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus. Clear? Any doubt? Okay, so my answer will be what? 0 here. Okay, because all number will get cancelled out. Okay, next question. Tell me the answer for this question. Everyone, tell me the answer for this question. So what is the question? If x plus 1 upon x is equal to 2, then find the value of 2004 minus x to the power 2004 minus 1 upon x to the power 2003. So if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 2, then x is equal to 1. That means x to the power 2004 is nothing but 1, and minus sign minus sign, x to the power 2003 is nothing but 1, because if we have x to the power something, if we have 1 to the power x, this will give you always 1. 1 to the power x will always give you 1. Okay, so this will also 1. So 1 minus 1 will give you again 0. 1 minus 1 will give you again 0. So option number A is my right answer. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Yes? Super. Next question. Now tell me the answer for this question. This is also a very interesting question. Let's see how many of you can try this. If you get the answer, just let me know in the comment box also. And if you are new to channel, consider subscribing. Okay, even if you are liking the tricks, also like the video also. Okay, so a square minus a plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, how we can write this? So a square plus 1 is equal to a. Just take this a to the RHS. Now divide this. So we will get a square by a plus 1 upon a is equal to 1. This will give you a plus 1 upon a is equal to 1. Now, if a plus 1 upon a is equal to 1, that means a cube is equal to minus 1. If a plus, this is the condition, if a plus 1 upon a is equal to 1, that means a cube is equal to minus 1. And if a plus 1 upon a is equal to minus 1, if a plus 1 upon a is equal to minus 1, then a cube is equal to 1. Okay, vice versa. Now solve the question. How we can write this thing in the power of cube? Okay, a cube. So we can write this a cube to the power 8. We can write, okay, you know that you know that x to the power a to the power b is equal to a x to the power a into b. So if we can write this to this, we can write also this to this. Okay, so here it is 3 into 8. So we can write it x to the a to the power 3 into 8 like this. Plus here we can write this a cube power 15, sorry, power 5 power 5, 5 3s are 15, and we have plus 1 already. So you know that a cube is minus 1. A cube is minus 1. So minus 1 power 8 plus minus 1 power 5 plus 1. Minus power 8. So always remember that where I can write minus 1 power even will give you plus 1. Minus 1 power odd will always give you minus 1. So remember this thing. Okay, so we can directly write it 1 minus 1 plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled out. We will get 1 as my answer. One is my answer. Sir, a cube is equal to minus 1. How? You can directly learn that. Okay, otherwise you have to calculate it. Okay, nothing but you can just cube both sides and you will get the answer. Okay, just cube both the side and you will get the answer. Clear, Kirti? Just remember some of the conditions. Let me tell you these conditions. If a plus 1 upon a is equal to 1, okay, then a cube is equal to minus 1. A plus 1 upon a is equal to minus 1. Then a cube is equal to plus 1. Okay, a cube is equal to plus 1. If a plus 1 upon a is equal to root 3, then a to the power 6 is equal to minus 1. And if a plus 1 upon a is equal to minus root 3, then also a to the power 6 is equal to minus 1. Okay, so remember these some of these conditions. Okay, learn these so that you can directly solve the question. How it will come? So just cube both the sides, you will get the answer. Here you have to first square and then cube. Here you have to first square then cube. Okay. So we have got the answer 1 here. Let's solve another question. Tell me the answer for this. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. So if x plus 1 upon x is equal to 1, then we know that x cube, what we know? We know that x cube is equal to minus 1. Okay, we already know that. Clear? So we have to write? We have to find the value of this thing. X to the power 4000 plus 1 upon x to the power 4000. How we can write this? We have to break it in the form of x cube. Okay. So we can write it x to the power 3999 multiply by x. Can we write this? Yes, है ना? Because we know that after adding these two, we will get again 4000. Okay, plus 1 upon, same thing will be here. 3999 multiply by x to the power 1. Multiply by x to the power 1. So we know that this is the odd multiple of 3. This is the odd multiple of 3. That means this will give me minus 1. This is the odd multiple of 3. I told you just now that if we have 3 multiply by 5, we will get odd number. If we have 3 multiply by 2, we will get even number. Okay, so this will give you the positive, this will give you the positive one, this will give you the negative one, because x cube is just minus 1. So we can directly say that this is minus 1, this is minus 1. So minus will get common, we will get x plus 1 upon x remaining inside. We will get x plus 1 upon x remaining inside. Okay, we will get x plus 1 upon x remaining. So minus x plus 1 upon x is nothing but 1. So minus 1 is my right answer. Minus 1 is my right answer. Is it clear? Swaz is having 7 minus 1, not Swaz, not 7 minus 1. Okay, we will get what? We will get minus 1 here. How you are getting 7 minus 1? How you are getting 7 minus 1? Is it clear to everyone? Is this clear? So here this number will give me what? X to the power 399 will give me what? Minus 1. Okay, this will give me minus 1. Always remember that. If we are getting the odd multiple of 3, then we are getting minus 1. If we are getting even multiple of 3, then we are getting plus 1. Always remember that. Okay, is it clear? Superb. So minus 1 is my right answer. Okay, so I have put it minus 1 here and minus 1 here. So it is minus 1 upon x minus x minus 1 upon x. I took the minus common. Okay, I took the minus common. So remaining is what? X plus 1 upon x. X plus 1 upon x is 1. 1 into minus 1, it is nothing but minus 1. So 6 plus 1 minus 11 plus 7, sir. No. Now how we can write this? We can write this x cube 1333. Yes or no? So minus 1 to the power what? 1333. This will give you what? Minus 1, no? This will give you what? Minus 1. Yes, Sohan? Yes or no? So how you are getting 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1? This is wrong, right? This is wrong. So this is how you are getting what? Minus 1. This is how you are getting what? Minus 1. So minus 1 is here, also minus 1 will be here because we have 4000 both the sides. Minus 1 will be get common, and you will get what? X plus 1 upon x is equal to 1. So finally this is 1, this is minus, we are getting what? Minus 1. We are getting what? Minus 1 here. Okay. Okay, now tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Did you get the mistake, Suhan? What mistake you have done? Super. So if x plus 1 upon x is equal to root 3, that means x to the power 6 is equal to minus 1. I told you earlier. I told you that. That means we have to break this into the power of 6. We have to break this into the power of 6. So just divide 102 by 6. What we are getting? 6 ones are 6, 4, 42. 6. We have got what? Odd power. We can see that we have odd power. So we are getting minus 1 there. Clear? We are getting minus 1 there. So let's break that. So 17 6 are what? 102 plus, again we have same thing here, 17 6 are 102. Clear? So now this is what? This is minus 1, this is minus 1, minus 1 odd power. So this will give you minus 1. Again the same thing, minus 1. So minus 1 will give you what? Minus 2. So here the answer will be what? Minus 2. Okay. Here the answer will be what? Minus 2. So you can easily get that minus 2. You don't have to write this thing. Okay, you don't have to write this thing. What you have to do here, you just have to divide the power, whatever the power is there, you just have to divide by 6. And if you are getting odd, number here, okay, if you are getting odd number, that means whatever the number is there, you will get directly minus 1. You are getting minus 1 directly and you will get minus 2 answer. Okay, you don't have to break in this way. You can directly say that it is minus 1. And if this is even, you can directly write 1 plus 1. That means 2 is your answer. Okay, that means 2 is your answer. Is it clear? Is it clear? If it is clear, tell me the answer for this question. If it is clear, tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. So again, x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus root 3. Again for the same, you will get x to the power 6 is equal to minus 1. Or we can say x to the power 6 plus 1 is equal to 0. Or we can say x to the power 6 plus x to the power 0 is equal to 0. Okay, 1 can be written as x to the power 0. Yes or no? So what this means? This means that x to the power 6 plus x to the power 0. If the power difference is what? 6. Okay, if the difference between the power is 6, that means their summation will be is equal to 0. That means their summation will be equal to 0 if x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus root 3. Is it clear to everyone? This minus sign will come here. You will get this. X to the power 1 can be written as x to the power 0. And finally we are getting what? We are getting x to the power 6 plus x to the power 0 is equal to 1. That means what? If we have power 6 difference, then the answer will be what? 0. So we have to just find the power 6 difference. So 100 and 6 difference is 94. So this will get 0. Okay, this will get cancelled out. This will give 0. Okay, is it clear? And 99 will cancelled out by 93. Power difference is 6. This will get cancelled out. Okay, this will get cancelled out. Why this will get cancelled out? BP level low. Okay. So this will get cancelled out, and after that 98 and 92, 98 and 92 will get cancelled out, because some of these will give you 0, and 97 with 91, 96 with 90, 95 with 89. What is remaining? Is there remaining anything? No. That means all will give you, all the summation of all will give you what? 0 only. Okay. The summation of all will get you 0 only. So option number B is my right answer. Is it clear to everyone? Can you crack these types of question in the examination? Okay. We know that if x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus root 3, then x to the power 6 is equal to minus 1. And this is how we have derived such formulas. Okay. And the difference is, if the difference is what? 6, then the answer is my 0. Then my answer is 0. And similarly, in the case of when we get x cube is equal to minus 1, here you can also say the same thing. If x cube plus x to the power is equal to 0. So here difference is 3. Here difference is 3. Here difference is 6. Power difference is 6. Okay. Tell me the answer for the next question. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Everyone. X square minus 11x plus 25 is equal to 0. Then find the value of this. Now we have to find the value of this. Okay. So if this is x minus 3, this is x minus 3, that is nothing but a cube plus 1 upon a cube, yes or no? And to find a cube plus 1 upon a cube, what we want? We want a plus 1 upon a. What we want? We want a plus 1 upon a. That means x minus 3 plus 1 upon x minus 3. If we can calculate, this is nothing but a plus 1 upon a, right? This is nothing but a plus 1 upon a. So to calculate this thing, just square this. Okay, here x minus 3 is there. Multiply this to this, take the LCM. Take the LCM. So here we will get x minus 3 whole square. That means x square plus 9 minus 2 into 3 into x. That means minus 6x, and plus 1 we have, and plus 1 we have. Now we have also one equation. Find out the value of x square from this equation. Find out the value of x square from this equation. So what is the x square? X square is equal to 11x minus 25. Okay. Both of this will give what? Both of this will go to the RHS. Okay. So x square will be 11x minus 25. Put the value of x square here, and you will get 11x minus 25. Okay. Let me take this to the here. So what we are getting? X square in the place of x square, 11x minus 25, 9 plus 1, 10, plus 10 minus 6x. And in the divide, we are getting what? X minus 3. In the divide, what we are getting? X minus 3. Is it clear? So what we are getting? We are getting 11 minus 6, that means 5x, minus 10 minus 25 and plus 10, that means 15, and in the denominator we have x minus 3. Just take the common x 5. We are having x minus 3 in the numerator and x minus 3 in the denominator. This gets cancelled out, and we are getting 5 here. And we are getting 5 here. Okay. So what is a plus 1 upon a? It is equal to 5. What is a plus 1 upon a? It is equal to 5. Now we have to find a cube plus 1 upon a cube. If a plus 1 upon a is equal to 5, then a cube plus 1 upon a cube is nothing but 5 cube minus 3 into 5. So what is 5 cube? 5 cube is 125 minus 15. The answer will be 110. The answer will be 110. That means option number B. The answer will be 110. That means option number B. Now, what is the short trick to solve this question fast? Now, what is the short trick to solve this question fast? Can you see that? Can you see there is so much calculation? Okay, now I'm going to tell you the short trick to find to solve this question very fast. Okay, so what you have to do, okay, just look at the red thing, the pink thing. You have to find this thing. Okay, you have to find this thing, but mentally you just have to find this thing, the positivity or negativity of this particular part, which x. Okay, x part only. So if we find x square value, we have to find that what we are getting. We are getting plus 11x or we are getting minus 11x. So we are getting plus 11x. So write plus 11x. Clear? First thing. Second thing, when we are going to multiply these two, we are getting x minus 3 whole square. And in the x minus 3 whole square, what we are getting? In the 2ab term, we are getting minus 6x. We are getting what? Minus 6x. We are getting minus 6x. So write here minus 6x. And now what we are getting? 5x. Forget about this x. 5 is my a plus 1 upon a value. Okay. 5 is what? My a plus 1 upon a value. Hi sir, please put a video on a state today. Also for the question repeated in exam. On CM of state. Sure. This is maths class now. Now onwards, I am going to tell you about the vocab. That in the vocab, I will also tell you that how Katappa killed the Bahubali. Clear? So what vocab for use for that, I am also going to discuss later. But no worries, Dhanadhan, no, Dhanadi. I will consider this, and the CM of states will be covered in the GS part only. Okay, in the current affair parts, this will be covered. So what is my answer? So my answer is 110. Did you get that? Okay, did you get that? So this is how you can find you don't have to find so much calculations. Okay, yes, you have to find what the x part will come here when we are going to calculate the x square. So I am getting 11x positive, and when we find x minus 3 whole square, then we have to find what x part will come here. Okay, so minus, we are getting minus 6x here. This we can calculate in mind easily, right? So this will give you what? This will give you what? 5x. This will give you 5x, and you just ignore 5x, you will get the 5. And 5 is my a plus 1 upon a value. Just put here and solve the question. So let's move on to the another question. Tell me the answer for this question now. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. If 5a plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 5, then find the value of 9a square plus 1 upon 25a square. So you can see that here it is 5a, but 5a square is in the denominator. Here it is in the denominator we have 3a, but 3a square is in the numerator here. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to convert this to this. So 5a plus 1 upon 3a is equal to 5. What we have to do, okay, we have to make this what? We have to make this just under root this. So we have to make it 3a plus 1 upon 5a. How we can make it 3a plus 1 upon 5a? Just multiply both the side. Just multiply both the side by 3 by 5. So when we multiply this, 5 gets cancelled out. When we multiply this, 3 gets cancelled out. Okay, multiply by 3 by 5 both the sides. So now 3 by 5 multiply by 5a plus 3 by 5 multiply by 1 by 3a is equal to 5 got cancelled out. Here we are getting 3. Here we are getting 3. Here we are getting 3. So 3 get cancelled out. Here 5 gets cancelled out. We are getting 3a plus 1 upon 5a is equal to 3. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to calculate, we have this thing. Okay, we have to calculate the 3ab. If it is what, it is a square plus b square, na, it is suppose it is what, x square plus y square, and for x square plus y square we need two things, x plus y and xy. We have x plus y here, है we have x plus y here, we need xy. What is xy? 3a into 5a, 3a into 1 upon 5a, sorry, 3a into 1 upon 5a. So a gets cancelled out, here we are getting 3 by 5, here we are getting 3 by 5. Now put in the formula. Okay, we know the formula. What is the formula? Formula is x square plus y square. X square plus y square is equal to what? X plus y whole square, that means 9. Okay, 3 square 9, and minus, okay, minus, we have minus, okay, because we have plus here, so minus 3 by 5, okay, minus 3 by 5. Clear to everyone? So Han 39.5, okay, 39 by 5. So 45 minus 3, am I done something wrong? Because it is 2ab, na, a square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab, so minus 2 into 3 by 5 will be there, so 9 minus 6 by 5 will be there, so 45 minus 6, 39 by 5 will be the answer. 39.5 will be the answer. Clear? Absolutely correct, Swan. Very good. Let's move on to the another question. Now we have something from partnership. Okay, we have something from partnership. So A, B and C starts a business by investing. A, B and C starts a business by investing 11,000 and 13,000 and 15,000. So 3 people are there. If at the end of the year B's share is in the profit is 6,500, then find the total profit altogether. Okay, then find the total profit. So PA ratio PB ratio PC. Okay, we have to find the ratio. So we can easily say that these 3 0 will cancelled out in each of them. So we are getting what? 11 is to 13 is to 15. Okay, so question is saying that B is getting in the profit 6,500. That means B is 65. That means 13 is equal to 6,500. So what is the multiplying factor here? Multiplying factor is what? 13 5s are 65, and 00 for 00 we are multiplying by 500. Okay, so this is the multiplying factor. Question is asking what is the total profit. Total profit is what? 11 plus 13 plus 15. So 11, what is total profit? 11 plus 13 plus 15 and multiply by multiplying factor, So it will be give you 39 into 500. Okay, multiply this, you will get 19,500. 19,500. Is it clear? 19,500. Did you get that? Option number D is my right answer. Option number D is my right answer. Yes or no? Option number D is my right answer. Clear to everyone? Super. Option number D is my right answer. So guys, we have SAFALTA batch SSC CHSL, and this SAFALTA batch is basically for SSC CHSL 2022 aspirants. So if any of you are preparing for SSC CHSL 2022 or any friend of you is preparing for that, do recommend this batch because you are getting around 450 plus hours of live classes. Live foundation classes will be there to strong your foundation in any of the subjects. Okay, and daily practice papers and mock test paper will be there. Also sectional test subjects will be there, so that you can test your sectional subjects. Like if you want to test your history, geography, you can give test accordingly. And this whole course will be deliver you at a price of 1399, nothing else. Okay, for that you have to use code SSC 50. Okay, SSC 50 for to get the 50% discount. So To get that course, just download Exampur official app, okay, and register for the course. So we are getting another question here. 3 partners shared the profit in a business in the ratio 8:3:7. Okay, so this is the profit ratio. What is the profit ratio? Profit ratio is given to you 8:3:7. Okay, 8:3:7. And what is and they have invested their capital for 6 months, 8 months and 12 months. That means their time is given. Okay, TA ratio TB ratio TC. Time is given as 6, 8, 12. Okay, we can also find the ratio. 6, 8, 12. Again, this can be written as 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. Clear to everyone? Now what? What was the ratio of their capitals? So what is capital? Capital is equal to what? Profit by time. Okay, so we have to find IA, investment. Okay, investment of A ratio investment of B ratio investment of C is equal to what? This will give you the ratio of these two. That means 8/3 ratio 3/4 ratio 7/6. Okay, take the LCM of the denominators and multiply the LCM to each number. Okay, multiply the LCM to each number. So what is the LCM? We got 12 LCM. So multiply 12 here, multiply 12 here, and multiply 12 here. Now divide 12 by how much time? 4 times. This will divide 3 times and this will divide 12 by 2 times. So 8 4s are 32 ratio 3 3s are 9 and 7 2s are 14. So 32 9 14 is my right answer. 32 9 14. That means option number C is my right answer. Yes or no? That means option number C is my right answer. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Super. Let's move on to the another question. A and B invest in a business in the ratio of 7:3. The business makes a profit of 50,000 in 1 year. Okay, A and B are in the ratio of 7:3 and the business making profit of overall 50,000. They decided to distribute the profit remaining after reinvesting 30% of the profit. So 30% of the profit. So only 30% is reinvesting. That means 70% of the profit they are getting in the ratio of the. So how much will A get? Okay, how much will A get? So total is what? Total profit is 50,000. Total profit is 50,000. Okay, reinvesting. What is reinvesting? Reinvesting is 30% of this. So 30% of it, this is nothing but 15,000. So what is remaining? Remaining it's 35,000. And now this 35,000 is distributed in the ratio of 7:3 to A and B. Clear? Clear? This is question is asking. So we know that to find the value of A, we have to write total upon total. So 35,000 is total and do this total 7 plus 3, that is 10. So this will get cancelled out. We are getting what? 3,500. We are getting what? 3,500. Now multiply this 3,500 to either of the numbers to get the actual values. So this is A, this is B. We have to calculate the value of A. So I am going to multiply 3,500 to A. If we have to calculate the value of B, just multiply this to B. Okay. So 00 is my common. 7 5s are 35. Carry 3. And again we have 24,500. That means option number D. Clear to everyone? let's move on to another question. A and B enters a partnership with capital in the ratio 3:5. Okay. After 5 months, A adds 50% of his capital while B withdraws 60% of his capital. Okay. So let's suppose the capitals were IA ratio IB were what? 6:10. 6:10 है ना. I have multiplied 2 to the both side. We can do that because ratio we can multiply any number, but to the both the numbers. Okay. So 2 into 3, 2 into 5. That means we can write the capitals as 6:10. We can write this as 6:10. Now what question is saying? We are going to take this in two parts. Okay. Ultimately, finally, we are going to make it in ratio. So A invested 6 for how many time period? For 5 months. For 5 months. And after that, he adds 50% of his capital. So he was investing earlier, he was investing 6. Now he is adding 50% more. That means 50% of 6 is what? 3. 50% means half. So 3 he getting odd added, and that means now the investment is 9 for the rest of the period. Rest of the period means 7 months. Okay. Rest of the period means 7 months. Now what is B is doing? Well, B withdraws the 60% of his capital. So B was what? B was investing 10 for 5 months. And what B is doing now? He is withdrawing 60%. So withdraw 60% of this, remaining is 4. Remaining is 4 for remaining time period, that means 7. Now solve both the questions. So what we are getting here? See, we are getting 30 here. We are getting 63 here. We are getting 50 here, and what we are getting here? 28 here. So this will give you 93. This will give you 78. This will give you 78. Again, can we cancel out both? Yes, we can cancel it out. So this will now both of these are in the ratio. Both of these are in the ratio. So this is also in the ratio. So 3 times this will give you 31, and this will give you what? 3 2s are 6 and 26. So 31 26 is my ratio. 36 21 6 is my ratio. Okay. And what is the question? What is the share of B in the annual profit of 68,000? So this ratio will 68400. Okay, divided by sum of both these. Okay, so sum of this is what? 57. Right? 57 exactly. 57. So now cancel out both of these, you will get the multiplying factor. After cancelling out both these, you will get the multiplying factor. So this is nothing but around 12 times. Okay, 5 12s are 60. This is 12 times. Okay, see, 12 5s are 60. That means 600. 12 7s are 84. So this will get cancelled out by 1200 times. So 1200 is my multiplying factor. 1200 is my multiplying factor. So question, what is question asking? For B. So multiply it by 1200. Multiply it by 1200 and you will get the answer. So 1200 means 00. Okay. And multiply 12. So 12 6 are 72. Carry as 7. Okay. Carry is 7. And 12 2s are 24. 24 is and 7 it is 31. So 31200 is my answer. 31200 is option number D, nothing else. Okay, clear to everyone? Now tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question, everyone. Tell me the answer for this question. In an examination, A got 25% marks more than B. Okay, in an examination, A got, let me write it in the ratio form. A got 20% more marks in the examination. So if B is getting 4, A is getting 5. B got 10% less marks than the C. If C is getting 10, B is getting 9. Okay, B is getting 10% less marks. So to solve this, you know that we have to make copy whatever is in the adjacent face. So here B has 4, so I am copying 4. Here B has 9, so I am copying 9. Multiply both these, but you have to multiply only. Achha, also we have one more thing. Okay, we have one more variable. Okay, we have one more variable. What is this? C and D. So here we got 9 and 10, and C got 25% more than D. 25% more than D. Okay, 25% more than me means if D is getting 4, C is getting 5. Now do this thing. Now do the copy thing. Copy this 4 here. 10 will get copied here. 9 will get copied here, and here we are getting 5. Okay. If something is going to be cancelled out, you can cancel out here. If something is going to cancel out, you can cancel out here only. Okay. So we can cancel out here. See, 5 is cancelled out, 5 is cancelled out, 5 is cancelled out. This thing is nothing but in the calculation, means it is in the multiplication. It is in the multiplication. So this will get cancelled out 2 times. This will get cancelled out 2 times. Now what question is saying? Question is saying that if D got 320 marks, then what is the marks of A? So if A is 45, D is what? 6 6 4 4 16, 32. If it is 32, it is 45. But question is saying no, it is not 32, it is 320. So it is 450. So this is how you got 450, your answer. Clear to everyone? So Suhan is saying, sir, 450. Absolutely correct. Did you get the ratio method? Okay. So you have to do just multiply these things. So 4 5s are 45, 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32. If B and C also asked, so just multiply these two to get the B and C. Clear? Move on to the another question. A man bought 2 articles for rupees 3050 each. He sold one article at 15% profit and another at 23% profit. So whenever you get a selling price of 2 articles are same, when cost price is same for the 2 articles, then to get the overall percentage change or overall profit or loss percentage, for that you just have to average the 2 or 3 or 4, whatever is the given. Okay, so I have given 15% profit. Remember that profit is written in the positive sign and a loss is written in the negative. So there may be loss, so loss can be written as negative. So here 15 plus 23 divided by 2, you will get 38/2%. That means 19% is my overall profit percent. Okay, my total profit percent or overall profit percent is nothing but 19%. So this is how you can do directly. Is it clear to everyone? Yes or no? Is it clear? Superb. Next question. A shopkeeper marks his good 24% above the CP and gives 15% discount to the customer. While selling, he gives 150 gram less in each 1 kg goods. Find his profit percent. So to solve the profit percent, always try to find SP upon CP. Okay, so SP is something what we get, okay, in our pocket, and CP is something what we give out of the pocket. So a shopkeeper marks 20% above the CP. So see, if CP is 100, he marks 24% above it. So it will be what? 124 upon 100. It will be what? 124 upon 100. Multiply. Now he gives 15% discount. What is 15% discount? That means 100. The thing in the 100 will become 85. Okay, 15 less than 100. He sold 15 less than 100. Now, if he is selling 150 gram less in each 1 kg of goods, so he is taking the price of, he is taking the value of, he is taking the price of, or we can say money for 1000. Okay, 1000 grams. For 1000 grams, he is taking money for 1000 gram, but he is giving 150 gram less. That means he is giving 850 grams. Okay, So this is going out of my pocket and this is coming to my pocket. That's why I written SP. In case of SP, I have wrote here 1000, and in the case of CP, I have wrote 850. Clear? So now solve and you will get the answer. Now solve this and you will get the answer. So this 0 gets cancelled out. 85 got cancelled out by this. 100 will cancel out by this. So again, what is remaining? Remaining is 100 will become 124. How it will become 124? When profit percent is 24%. When profit percent is 24%. That means option number D is my right answer. That means option number D is my right answer. Is it clear to everyone? So Suhan is getting 18.75. Wrong answer, Swan. Okay. You just have to find where you have mistaken. Okay, where you have mistaken. Clear? Any doubts, Suhan? Okay, no doubts. Next question. What is the ratio of mean proportion between 24 and 216 and third proportion to this and this? So mean proportion, what is mean proportion? It is B square is equal to 24 into 216. Okay, how we can write 24? So 24 can be written as 4 into 6, and how we can write it? 6 into 6 square. Okay, 6 into 36, right? This is 6 cube now. So 6 into 6 square. Now you know that out of here it is B square now. So if you want to calculate B, so only one pair of square will come out. So here I have 6 square, here we have 6 square. So what we will get? 6 into 6, here we have 4. 4 means 2. So what we are getting here? 72. Okay, what is the value of B? It is 72. Now we have to find out the third proportion of this. So this is A, this is B. So 4 by 24 is equal to 24 by what? Okay, 24 by what? So we have to calculate the value of C here. So you know that if 4 is if 6 is multiplied by 4, okay, if 6 is multiplied to 2, if 6 has multiplied to make it 24, the same operation we have to do here. Okay, if 6 is multiplied to 4 to make 24, the same operation we have to do here. So what we will get here? We will get what? 144. Okay, what we will get? 144, right? And we have to make the ratio of both these. Okay, so what is the ratio of B and C? Ratio of B and C is 72, ratio 144, and this will give you 1:2. This will give you what? 1:2. So option number B is my right answer. Option number B is my right answer. This question you can also solve by cross multiplying. Okay, no worries. Next question. What is the ratio between fourth proportion of 3, 4 and 9? So 3 by 4 is equal to 9 by what? So this is the fourth proportion. So I told that if I am multiplying 3 to make it 9, so I have to multiply 3 to make it 12. So D is equal to what? 12. So D is equal to what? 12. You can also do this by cross multiplying. Okay, you will get D is equal to 12. And mean proportion of this, mean proportion means B square is equal to 28 into 7. We can write 28 as 4 into 7, and it is 7. Okay, here we have 7 square and we have 2 square. So what we will get? We will get 2 out of this and 1 7. That means 14. Okay, what is B? It is B. It is the value of B, 14. So we have to calculate the ratio of these two. We have to calculate the ratio of D and B. So what is D? It is 12 and B is 14. So ratio will be what? 6:7. What is the ratio? Ratio will be 6:7. Is there 6:7? Yes. Option number D is my right answer. Option number D is my right answer. Let's move on to the another question. What number should be added to each number? Okay, 103, 135, 110 and 144, so that the resulting numbers are in the proportion. So the resulting number are in the proportion. So we have to write this like this. Okay, 135 and 110, 144. Clear? we have to add a number to each of them to make it equal, clear? To make it proportional, that means to make these ratios equal, we have to add a common number to each of them. Now to find that common number, just take the difference of these two. What is the difference? Difference is 7. Difference is what? 7. Take the difference of these two. The difference is nothing but 9. The difference is 9. Clear? Superb. So that means whatever the proportionality is there, okay, whatever the proportionality is there, this is the proportional to that number, okay, this is the proportionality. So that proportionality will give you 7 or multiple of 7 in the numerator, or 9 and the multiple of 9 in the denominator, okay, in the denominator. So we can easily see that this is the multiple of 9. That means to take the another, we have to plus x here, plus x here, plus x here, and plus x here. Now this is the multiple of 9 and also this is the multiple of 9, and we have to make it the multiple of 9, and this is already the multiple of 9. So to make the multiple of 9 equal to multiple of 9 by adding something is nothing but adding 9 only, okay. Means what? If 21 is the multiple of 7, so to make it the multiple of 7 by adding something it to, we can add 7 only to make it the multiple of 7, okay. So I can easily say that if I add 9 here, I add 9 here, I add 9 here, I add 9 here, okay, I will get the result as 7 by 9. I will get the result as 7 by 9. That means this will be equal. So if I add 9 here, what we will get? I will get 112, okay. Divide 112 by 7. Is it completely divisible? Okay. So 7 ones are 7 and 7 6 are 42. Yes, it is completely divisible. That means I got the answer. So this is the one scenario when I directly got the 9 and multiple of 9 here. If I don't get the multiple of 9, then what should I have to do? Okay, then what I have to do? Then you have to see the difference between these two. Okay, what you have to see? The difference between these two you have to see. So if the difference is 34, here difference is 2. So make the difference 34, we have to multiply by 17 both the sides. Here the difference is what? 34, okay, and here difference is 2. To make the difference 2 to 32 to 34, just multiply 17. So 17 sevens are, what is 17 sevens are? Tell me. 70 plus 49, that means 119. Now to make it 119, what we can add? We can add 9. Clear? Is it clear? So this is how you have to calculate. So my answer is what? So my answer is 9. Clear? Another question. Tell me the answer for this. Question. A sum of rupees 57,800 is to be divided among A, B and C in such a manner that for every rupee B gets 90 paisa. So we have to write it in the ratio form. So for every rupee A get, means if A get 100, B getting 90, and for every rupee B gets, C gets 110. That means if B is getting 100, C is getting 110. So this is what question is saying. Clear? So just what we can do, copy this, and if it is something is cancelled out, you can cancel out, okay. So I can see that 2 zeros are cancelled out in each of them. So these two, let me cancel out with red pen. So this 2 will cancel out here, this 2 cancel out here, these 2 zeros are cancelled out. 0 means dividing by 10, okay. So here 100 cancel out, and here 100 is what? 10 into 10. Now multiply. Here you are getting 100, here you are getting 90, and here you are getting 99. So this is the overall ratio. But question is saying this sum is divided in this ratio. Okay, now we have to find what? We have to find the multiplying factor. So what is multiplying factor? 57800 divided by this thing, divided by this thing. So what is this? 9 and 9 18, 289. So what we are getting? 289, right? We are getting 289 divided by 289. You can see directly, okay, you can see it is double of this. So this will give you 200, this will give you 200. That means what? 200 is my multiplying factor. Now multiply 200 to any of this and you will get the answer. So you have to find the B's share. Multiply 200 to this. So multiplying 200, we get 3 zeros and 9 2s are 18. So 18,000 is my right answer. 18,000 is my right answer. Option number C. 18,000 is my right answer. Is it clear? Superb. Two numbers are in the ratio. 3:5. If 13 is subtracted from each, the new numbers are in the ratio 10:23. So suppose two numbers are A and B. They are in the ratio 3:5. Now after subtracting 13, they will become 10:21. And if 13 is added to each number, what we will get? Okay, what we will get? So first we are subtracting and then we are adding. So we have to find the ratio. Okay, so just what you have to know, you know that after subtracting 13 from this, you will get this, and after adding 13 you will get this. Okay, so there is a real trend. Okay, if you do this you will get this, if you do this you will get this. Okay, so something like this question is here. Okay, trending question, real trending question. So what we have to do, just make the differences same. Okay, to make the ratio same, you have to make the differences same first, because difference is not same here. Here difference is 2 and here difference is 11. Here difference is 11. So make the difference common. Here multiply by 11 or here multiply by 2. So we will get 33, 55, 33, 55. Here what we are getting? Here we are getting 20 and 42. 20 and 42. Now you can see that. Now you can see that. What is this? Now you can see that. What is this? 13 difference, right? Here it is also 13 difference. Here it is also 13 difference, 13 difference. That means 1 is equal to 13. That means 1 is equal to 13. That means 1 is equal to 13. Is it clear? That means 1 is equal to 13. 1 ratio is equal to 13. Okay, 13, we are adding 13 now. That means 13 is equal to 13. So multiplying factor is 1. So we have our answers. Okay, directly we have our answers. So question is what? Question is saying that what will be the new ratio? What will be the new ratio if we add 13 to that? Which number? To this number. Okay, to each the original number. Original number is what? 33 and 55. Now the new operation will be done in the original number. Difference is 13 units, and we have saw that the 13 is also the original thing. We have subtracted. So my multiplying factor is 1. That means we have original values here. So these values we are getting after subtracting 13. Now we have to add 13 to this. Okay, so after adding 13 to both of these, okay, adding 13 to both of these, the new numbers we are getting here. So we are getting 6, we are getting 4, we are getting 8, we are getting 6. Now we have to find the ratio of these two. Now we have to find the ratio of these two. Divide by 2 both the sides, you will get 23 and 34. 23 and 34. Option number A is my right answer. Option number A is my right answer. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, super. Next question. 720 is divided among A, B, C in such a way that A receives 4 by 5 of B plus C. So A divided by B plus C is equal to 4 by 5. And find the amount received by C if B receives 7 by 11 of A plus C. B receives 7 by 11 of A plus C, and we have to find the amount of C. We have to find the amount of C. Let's see how we have to calculate. So whenever you get this situation, na, just add both. Okay, here we have C, A plus C. Here we have A plus C. Okay. So whenever you get this situation, just add both these. So here I am getting A plus B plus C is equal to 9. Here I am getting A plus B plus C is equal to 18. So both are A plus B plus C, but we are getting different values. So to make it common, we have to multiply here. To make it common, we have to multiply here by 2. If we are multiplying here by 2, we have to multiply here by 2 also. So we are getting 8 by 10. Okay. Now you can see that. Both here I am also getting 18. Here I am also getting 18. That means A is 8, B is 7. If B is 7, then C should be 3 to make it 10. 7 plus 3, 10. Okay. Or you can say if A is 8, so C should be 3. So that make it 11. So C is nothing but 3 parts. Okay. So now I am getting the ratio A is to B is to C. What is this? What is this ratio? Okay. What is this ratio? It is 8 is to 7 is to 3. Okay. So total is 7,200, and we have already calculated the total. It is 18. It is nothing but 18. So what is the multiplying factor? 18 4 times. Okay, 18 4 the 72, and just multiply here 400. You will get what? Okay, what is it? Is B or C? What amount? The amount received by C. Okay, so C is what? 1200. I think something is missing. This should be B. Okay. Find the amount received by B. Make it B. Okay, make it B. So after multiplying 400, what we will get? We will get 2800 here. So 2800, that means option number A is my right answer. Okay, option number A is my right answer. Is it clear to everyone? So this is how we got all the ratios. Okay, A is 4, B is 7, and C is 3. Clear? So we don't have options. We are having 2800, and 2800 is possible in the case of B. Maybe there is misprint. That's why we got the wrong answer. So there should be B. Corrected that. Okay. Next question. The ratio of the monthly income of X and Y is 5:4, and that of their monthly expenditure is what? 9:7. So we have given what? IA ratio, IB. Ratio of monthly income of XY. Okay, X and Y are there, na? So IX ratio IY. It is 5:4. It is 5:4. It is 5:4. And the monthly expenditures. So expenditure of X is to expenditure of Y. Expenditure of X is to expenditure of Y. It is 9:7. It is 9:7. If the monthly income of Y is equal to monthly expenditure of X, what is the statement? If monthly income of Y, this thing is equal to the monthly expenditure of X, means these two things are equal. These two things are equal. Are they equal? No. So make it. Multiply here 9 and multiply here by 4. So if we are multiplying 4, we have to multiply both the sides. If we are multiplying 9, we have to multiply both the sides. So now what we are getting? We are getting 45, 36. Here we are getting 36, 28. Okay. Now this is according to question. The monthly income of Y is equal to expenditure of X. Income is equal to the expenditure of X. Okay, na? Okay. Then what is the ratio of savings of X and Y? Now you know that. What is the saving? Saving is income of X minus expenditure of X will give you saving of X. Income of Y minus expenditure of Y will give you saving of Y. Okay. So we have to find the ratio. It is very simple. Just subtract both of these. So what we are getting here? After subtracting, we are getting 9 here, and what we are getting here? Here we are getting 8. So 9 is to 8. That means option number D is my right answer. 9 is to 8. Yes, Suhan, absolutely correct. Superb. Superb. Very good. Now tell me the answer for this question. The sum of all those prime numbers which are less than 37. The sum of all those prime numbers which are less than 37. So we know that 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, right? 13, 17, 19. And let me write it in the one row, okay? 2, 3, 5, 7, 13, sorry, 11, 13, 17, 19, then after 19, 21, no, 23, 23, then 27, no, 29, yes, 29, then 31, yes, after 31, 33, no, 35, no, 37, 37, yes, 37, yes. So these are the prime numbers, but I have to say less than 37. So 37 we cannot consider. We have to consider up to 39 only. So now make pairs. Okay, we have to make we have to calculate the sum now. So make pairs. Okay, suppose we have to make pair. This will give you 50. Okay, this will give you 50, and this will give you 40. This will give you 40. This will give you 20, and this will give you 10. This will give you 10. So 10, 20, then this will give you 40. Okay, this will give you 40, and this will give you 50. Simple. So 50 and 50 what? 50 and 50, 100, 120. So 100, 120, it is 160. Sum of all those prime numbers which are less than. So may I miss something? Do I have missed something? 11 and 29, it is 40. This one is 40. Yes, of course, this is 50. Okay, 140 is there. So 40, 40, 80, 100, 150, 160. Option number D. Option number D. Did you get that? 9.8. Are you doing average? Sum. You have to find the sum now. Okay, so my sum is what? 160. Next number. The sum of the natural number and its square. The sum of a natural number. Suppose a natural number is there, x and its squares plus x square equals to the product of first three prime numbers. What are the first three prime numbers? 2, 3 and 5. 2 into 3 into 5. How we can write this? Take the common x. We will write this as x plus 1. So what is x into x plus 1? A number and one greater than. That means consecutive number multiplication. Also we can write this 5 into 6. Also we can write it 5 into 6. Yes or no? Now tell me, if 5 is this, x plus 1 is 5 plus 1, that means 6. Now it is satisfying the equation. That means x is equal to 5. That means the number is equal to 5. That means that number is equal to 5. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear? Yes or no? So finally, this is the question. Okay. So this question is your homework. This question is your homework. Okay. This question is your homework. I'm giving you two questions as a homework. Okay. One question is this, and other question is this. These two questions are homework for you. Okay. And we are going to meet again soon with a marathon session. So till then, have a great day and a great Saturday, also Sunday. Keep practicing. If you have any doubt, just comment down. Okay, if you want to learn something, you want something from us, just comment down. You have many things in our app, so download the Exampur official app from Play Store. Okay, and you will get many free available courses are there. Okay, many free tests are there, so you can take that. and you can also check out our paid courses. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for joining till now. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and also like the session if you like that. Thank you so much. Take care.